In this screencast tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to use 3D models in PowerPoint. It's really easy and quick. So first of all, you want to have your PowerPoint application open, and you want to go up to this Insert tab at the very top and click on that. Now go to the 3D models and click on that to open up all the stock 3D models that PowerPoint has. You can search for what you want if you have something specific in mind, or you can go through these categories and kind of browse them to see what will fit your needs. I'm going to go ahead to the medical category, and I will click on this ear 3D model and use that one. And then I will go ahead and click on the Insert button. That's going to insert the 3D model for me. And I want to make it a little bit bigger, so I'll just drag it at the corners and kind of reposition it to be in the middle. One of the things that I want to do is I want to apply the Morph Transition to this slide. So I'm going to click on the Transitions tab and select Morph from the options here. Now what Morph does is it just kind of gives a smooth, seamless transition to the 3D model. So it's going to create this effect from slide to slide that makes it seem like a 3D model is spinning for us or moving in this very seamless way. You'll see what I mean in a minute here. So once I have that applied, I will go ahead and click on the slide here on the left-hand panel, and I will do a right click and I will duplicate it. So duplicate slide, and that's going to create another slide with the same exact ear 3D model, and the same morph transition is also applied to it. So now I want to create that spinning or turning 3D model effect. So I will click on the 3D model here, and this little circle with the spinning icon shows up, and you want to go ahead and click on that and then rotate your 3D model. So I will go ahead and rotate it like that and let go of the mouse at that point. And then I'm going to just repeat the process. So again, I'm going to go to the second slide now, right click and duplicate. So now it's duplicated the slide with the 3D model for me, still keeping that morph transition up here. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click onto this 3D model and I will rotate it again and turn it this way and repeat the process again. Click, rotate, and then again repeat it. And I'm back to where I started. But you can also label. So for example, this right here is the cochlea, I believe. So I will go ahead and click on Insert, and I will go ahead and add a line to it. So from the Shapes option at the top, I will click on this line and just add it here. As well as insert a text box. From the Insert tab at the top, clicking on this text box option, and just go ahead and label it like that. So now by doing that, it's going to, when it gets to this slide, once it plays, and it gets to the second slide, the 3D model will turn for us, and then we will also have the part of this ear labeled for us. So you can kind of play around with that and think about how you might do something like this in a training or a course that you're working on that could possibly use a 3D model of sorts. So now we're going to go ahead and watch what this looks like. And that is how you do 3D models in PowerPoint. I hope that was helpful.